I've been walking around and I'm actually looking for something simple, but I've not seen what I've been looking for like so big. Wow. Come shopping with me, like different things and shop, but I don't know what I'm actually gonna pick now because so come shopping with me, like different things and shop, but I don't know what I'm actually gonna pick now because so okay. Yeah. Okay, are these not blenders? Okay, they're not blenders, this is water jar. No, I'm also looking for a pot. Guys, and I'm looking for a sieve as well. Is this a sieve? Wow, it's so small. I don't know. Let me check for a bigger sieve. Oh, see sieve here. No, I don't want this sieve. For something different. These small pots. Go for something bigger. Utensils. Wow, there's a lot of shopping to do. It's not easy. Wow, it's really big, like a very massive place. I'm not sure I've seen something like this in Nigeria before. Wow, oh my god. Huh. Yeah, it's big, like so big. And guys, just take a look and you know, I'm actually looking for kitchen utensils, but I'm not really seeing what I want to see. Let me just show you guys around. Let me take you guys on it too, actually. Because me, I'm actually looking for. Let me just take you guys around this place because you guys see a lot of things that you've not seen before. So let me take you on it too. Just look at someone's shop, like someone's store here in the UK. It's mad. They even have flowers, like you can buy flowers for your garden, for your houses, anyone you want. You can buy and keep inside your house. They are okay, and they actually can rust. They can rust because that's artificial. All of them are artificial. Indoor plants for £5. Oh my god! Wow, look at this candlelight. So nice. Mado. Oh god, they have stationaries inside. Oh, wow. Oh my god. OMG. So fabulous. In the shop where you have utensils, you have stationaries inside. It's a huge thing here in the UK. Like, you can get boxes. Like, when I'm going to Embarking stationery, you get boxes as well. So guys, I'm just taking a tour around. So you guys see, you also have electronics. You also have appliances. So you want good things. Alright. Okay. I've been walking around and I'm actually looking for something simple, but I've not seen what I've been looking for like so big. Wow.